the lesson staffing. And now in this video we are going to discuss about the staffing as a part of human resource management. So student, what is human resource? It is means by the name itself it is I think clear that it is basically employee of the organization working as resource. And human resource, they act as an asset for the organization, because I have already told you that because of the human being, because of the employees only, one company can beat the another company. So now let's see why staffing is a part of human resource. So we saw that staffing is finding right person for the right job. So now let's see the activities and duties which the human resource personnel must perform. Okay, so let's see first from the point of view of this slide, like staffing deals with human element and this plays an important role in the success of an organization. As I have already told you that this is just only because of the human resources, because of the efficient and trained employees only, this the organization, the success of the organization is achieved. Then as an organization grows, the number of people employed increases and a separate department called human resource department is formed, which consists of specialists and experts in dealing with people. When the organization is small, person can deal with all his employees, but when the organization is big enough, then a separate department is formed. And in this department it consists of specialists and experts, and these specialists, these experts, they are trained in dealing with the human beings, with the people. Then the human resource management involves procuring, developing, maintaining, appraising competent and satisfied workforce to achieve the goals of the organization efficiently and effectively. So now, student, there are various means many specialized activities, as see here, means maintaining, appraising competent, satisfied workforce. So there are certain activities also to be performed, and these activities are like recruitment. And what is recruitment? That is searching for a qualified person. Then analyzing jobs and collecting information about jobs to prepare job description. Then developing compensation and incentive plans. Why? Because to motivate the employees, because by these compensation, by the incentive plans, it encourages the people to work more, and because of that the organizational target will be achieved. Then training and development of the employees for efficient performance and for the career growth is also done. Maintaining labor relation and union management relation, then handling grievances and complaints. Suppose if there is any problem or any complaint, so it has to be bring in the notice of HR department. So these are certain activities and certain duties which the human resource person must perform. So student, this is all about staffing as a part of human resource. And student, I didn't have mentioned all these points in the slide, so please, while I'm delivering the lecture, you can write it down. So thank you, and in case of any doubt you can ask me through comment box, and please do like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you and take care.